play. Our home is wet, the ground is cold. We need the sun big and bold. Rain, rain, stay and play, said the frogs who hop all day. We love the puddles, splash and cheer. Rainy days are what we fear. Rain, rain, go and hide, said the birds who cannot glide. Our wings get soaked, we cannot fly. We want clear and sunny sky. Rain, rain, stay with me, said the fish so wild and free. We love the drops, the water white. In the rain we swim with pride.
Please subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.